Very dark man. I believe that they call you. We need that phone. No be Tinubu time. Now you buy car. No be Tinubu time. Now you they drink water. Wait, later they drink table water. Don't worry, okay. No worry now. You don't do too much. I saw you they insult Tinubu. Tinubu not do anything. People don't insult these people. They don't insult. Let me tell you.
All right, so before I talk, Portable, make I show you something.
Portable lele tó máa kọrin ọmọ olè yẹn lele yìí wọ́n ní padà lọ́mọ márùwá tó lọ jíire o márùwá tó lọ jíire ẹ̀ ṣe márùwá ẹ̀ bọ́lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀ márùwá tó jí lele yìí o Portable yẹn lele yìí o tó lọ jí fóònù o àtàwọn fóònù o márùwá ló lọ jí o àsọlẹ̀ ní ẹ ti rí o ẹgbà ọmọ ní ẹ ti rí márùwá tó jíire o ẹ ti rí o.
Now, Portable, first things first, now because of God, I cover your bola. Now because of God and brotherhood's sake, now no gree post everything where go show your bola. See you when you go thief keke. As they beat you for stealing keke. Meanwhile, they talk to me when 2020. 2020, I don't buy keke, I don't buy car. 2020. 2020, keke and car, this is where you go thief. I don't buy ham. What you make them beat you. I don't buy on 2020. So when they talk, say, na Tinubu regime, I buy car. Na Tinubu regime, I started to drink table water instead of pure water. Me look who you they follow talk. But I don't blame you. Ordinary keke thief. Person they desperate enough to go thief keke. They can pay you any amount to defend rubbish. First things first, did I insult President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? No. Out of pain and which I don't see for country. And I get the platform and they called their name to see. One of the major things I highlighted was insecurity of the country, where they don't claim the lives of a lot of people. Just yesterday, they buy people for Jos. Yesterday, they buy people for Jos. Benway won't see it happen till tomorrow. Bayelsa did here. And those states again, about as we speak now, is on fire. Insecurity issue. Delta State insecurity issue. Enugu insecurity issue. You are talking about car and pure water. Does that compare to the life of people? Does that weigh in the life of people where they lost? You think everything is about material things? It be car compared to the life of human being where they buy. The other day, yellow water, 200 persons where they born, over 200 where they born. You talk about car. Say, hey, Tinubu regime now buy car. I understand that all of now care about on our own pocket. Yes, of course, that is why politicians will feel carry now. You go to follow me, they talk. How much if you say they don't give you? How much they don't give you? Go and ask all of them how much they can't ask me, make I come to their side for. If I don't collect money, I don't collect money for these people. I don't collect billions. If I won't charge them to follow them to do campaign, go and ask them. They will tell you who very. Go and ask them. Go and ask them how much they don't put for my head. Go and ask them how many offers. Think I'm a joke to you. Think all this material nonsense concern me. People are suffering in the rural areas. Go to all these villages. People, they cry. Some people know they see food chop. So because you get money, buy car. If you say, okay, yes, every life of Nigerians, they okay. Well, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. It's because of the government don't rate us. Government don't rate Nigeria. Now, why don't bring somebody like Portable may defend them? Imagine say they bring somebody where we say, you know, if you talk well, Amy, they can't convince Nigeria to vote for them. It means that they have seen Nigerians as mumus and they have seen Nigerians as non-entities and as fools. Say people like Portable go convince you to vote for them. You know how crazy that is. They don't even take my feet to go bring somebody like Chimamanda Adichie, where go use English deceive the public. To go carry Portable to come an ordinary Keke Thief. They can't convince public to vote for them. You know how crazy that is. You know that the government no send you na papa. That this is the kind of person that they are pushing to you. And you have the audacity to tell somebody like me, say, I don't do too much. You, Portable. Say, okay, you know, carry police where they protect you. Or army, waka. Maybe me and you can't jump for one lungu. Only very that man, they call you, they come. First things first, I will let you punch me 5 first. Including my bola, my mouth, and my face. 5 first before I start to touch you. Make I use your face clean ground. In Chikutuma Buru Banka. See what it? Street, not get memory. Street, you give street code. Are you a street boy? You know what the street boy is? You think all this way they do for you in the streets? If they carry you come out from this Lagos, say they do make police no protect anybody. Maybe they just carry you go drop for another state. I'm not gonna specify. You think say you go survive? What do you know about the streets? Any small thing, street. Do you know anything about the streets? Even the people that backs you up, they don't even know anything about the streets. Do you think they know what the street is? It is in Lagos. Now Lagos, now they do what that they do. They walk up and down. They do. My brother, go to the north. They just the 2 seconds, they don't carry knife, put on for your body. You talk about streets, you go carry and say you did streets. Do you know what streets is? Can you survive on the streets? Can you survive on the streets? You ever say to travel, they'll carry police. They won't bring you from somewhere, they'll carry police. They'll say, do you know what the street is? Because they talk, some people say, portable street boy. Because you they shout. That's not street, bro. Better be careful with me. I know they follow you, they play all these ones. But again, like I said, I blame the government. And I obviously did not insult the president. If you don't know what an insult is, out of pain, I highlighted the problem where the country they face, especially my own people that they forget to, and my own people that they villages. If I want to associate with the rich, I don't do am since. If I want to be a fucking billionaire, I don't be am since, and I no go work. I'll just collect the money, come online, come they talk. Hey, vote for this person. Oh, do this one. Oh, do this one. Or start with the push one, this one, or carry one advertisement or this one. They all know my words, bro. They know it. Go and ask them, they will tell you. But they can't patronize people like me or talk to people like me. Now, people like you, they feel talk to people where we say they be like idiots like them. You better be careful. You better be very careful. Else you will learn, and you will learn the hard way. Don't play. Don't play.